یکی از موضوعات جذاب و داغ این روزا که خیلی ترند شده هوش مصنوعی و پیشرفت‌های اون تو زمینه‌های مختلف هستش. چند روز پیش نورمن که یکی از پیشکسوتان یو ایکس هستش تو لایو دیزاین فور بتر ورلد در مورد این موضوع و نحوه تاثیر این تکنولوژی روی کار طراحان صحبت کرد. تو ادامه این ویدیو شما را به شنیدن مهمترین بخش صحبتاش دعوت میکنم و یادتون باشه اگه نظر یا تحلیلی روی این موضوع دارید حتما توی کامنت ها بنویسید که با هم در موردش صحبت کنیم.
The AI is, don't forget the word A. Artificial. And it's only intelligence by, it isn't intelligent. It's pattern matching and it's doing things, but it has actually no deep understanding at all. None at all. But it can do wonderful things. So I've tried using it. I've said, well, you know, I'm not so good at sketching. Maybe I can ask it to draw the pictures that illustrate my concepts. And it works reasonably well, except I can't just say, oh, here's a picture I want and get a nice, wonderful result. I have to say, here's a picture I want, and then look at it and say, that's not what I want. And then I have to figure out a way of describing what I want and then go back and forth. And so it's much more a collaboration. So instead of having great drawing skills, I don't need that anymore. It's just like now that we use our machines to do our drawing, right? We don't do the technical drawings anymore, but rather we do it with the aid of a computer program that knows how to actually make sure everything fits and actually can make a parts list while it's at it and tell us the cost while it's at it. And if it's a mechanical thing, it can do the stress analysis and tell us whether it's strong enough, whether it's going to work. That simply makes your work more powerful. Let it do that stuff. So, but it's a collaboration because we think of the idea and then we have to judge what it produces to say whether that's at all what we thought of. And sometimes, and this is a great thing about collaboration, sometimes it will produce something that's so weird and strange and we sit and look at it and say, oh wow, I would never have thought of that. Maybe that's a really important direction to go, and then you can spend a few more days shaping it with it. So we're going to have to learn to think and design in a very different way. But that's been true of every advance in technology over the ages. Every time a new technology comes in, it changes the way we behave. And most of the time in positive ways, but it takes a while for us to get used to it. And that's what I think will happen with AI.